Hi everyone, welcome back to Mad Money Murph. Today I wanted to talk to you about cryptocurrency. Do you have a cryptocurrency? Have you invested in any cryptocurrency? What are your thoughts on cryptocurrency? Well, in today's video I'm going to share with you a little bit about my journey with it and maybe give you a little bit of insight if you haven't started, how to get started and how to stay involved with it if you're at all interested in it. I've mentioned in the past that I was interested in it early on, back 2009, I think 10, 11, 12. Didn't do anything with it, didn't understand it, didn't really research into enough how to buy it back then. But now, times are different and there's so many avenues and places you can purchase cryptocurrency. So that's the first thing. Well, I should say the first thing would be get yourself a little bit of education about it. I am, for the most part, invested in the top 10 cryptos, minus maybe a couple. XRP, I don't believe. I don't remember if it's in the top 10 or not, but I don't think it is. It's delisted on a lot of exchanges because they're going through a court case with the SEC. But for the most part, I stay within the top 10. I don't, some people trade. I don't really trade. I'm kind of a hodler. I'm buying to hold for long term. So the first thing I would say, get a little bit educated about it. Look it up, read up about it. A lot of places you can find. You can Google cryptocurrency and find a ton of places to learn about it. You can learn about it on a lot of the exchanges as well. You can also go to crypto market cap to look it up. But so get yourself educated. Maybe follow a couple YouTube channels. Listen to some, what several people are talking about with crypto. I know right now it's, I would say, pretty much a bear market for cryptos. I was kind of buying. I started buying in 2018, the first time I bought. In 2020, I kind of started buying on the way up. But right now, I think it's probably a good time to buy. I'm definitely buying the dip. So a lot of people want to know where to buy. So number one, get educated. Number two, where do you buy? I recommend finding a widely, known crypto exchange. It could be just a few off the top of my head. It could be Coinbase, it could be FTX, it could be crypto.com. I don't use crypto.com. I own the coin. I don't use crypto.com or FTX. I do use Coinbase a little bit. I used to use it a lot until I found Voyager, and I've just not as many fees with Voyager, and I think that I think it's a better exchange for trading and or holding cryptocurrency. XRP right now, like I said, is delisted, so there are only a couple of places you can buy it. I did find a place to buy it. It's called Uphold, UPHOLD. You can buy the cryptocurrency there too, but you can also, right now, you can buy XRP on Uphold. So right now I use Voyager, Uphold, and I do have quite a bit of holdings at Coinbase. You can find a link in the description below for a special offer with Voyager. It is you and I both get a little bit extra if you sign up using the link below. So where do I think crypto is? Where do I think it's going? Well, I think it's pretty close, if not in a bear market. Bitcoin, for instance, got up around the $69,000 range. It's back down around the $38,000 range. By the way, what is crypto used for? It's used for a multitude of different things. The blockchain can be used for anything from storing value to playing play to earn games to a lot of DeFi projects, meaning finance without limits, finance without fees. So many different uses for the blockchain. Every day there are more and more uses for it. I think what's going to be big is this whole metaverse thing. Facebook, I think, is kind of, I don't think what they're doing is going to be as big as what a lot of the crypto blockchain stuff is going to be doing. If you want to look into that, maybe look into Sandbox, Avalanche, a couple other ones that have things to do with the metaverse. But it's just so diverse. There's so many things that are being done. A lot of people will tell you out there, Bitcoin is basically a store of value, basically digital gold. I somewhat believe that as well. I don't think that, I think Bitcoin is the future. It's completely decentralized. There's no central bank that owns it, you know, that is in control of it. It's completely a free market, and I agree with that and believe in that. So these are all reasons to invest in crypto if you're interested. You know, the stock market is very, should I say, scripted. It's you know, a lot of regulation and a lot of fake things that go into it. A lot of accounting trickery that goes into it. Well, the blockchain, you know, certain blockchains and certain cryptos don't have any of that trickery in it. It's all open. It's all the ledgers are open, and there's no way with a lot of these. There's no way to manipulate them. And the older I get, the more I see the stock markets, of course, the gold and silver market, completely manipulated. The stock markets are so manipulated. The Fed is, you know, printed, I think, $6 trillion in the last year or two, I think, and purchased securities. It's completely manipulated, and I'm not saying I'm not there. We're there. We don't have our eggs all in one basket, though. We don't have it all just in the stock market. We have some in the stock market. We have some in the crypto. We have real estate. We have some gold and silver. It's not all is for one is for all. Unless you're Michael Saylor, it's only Bitcoin. But keep in mind, he has a company, MicroStrategy, that brings in a lot of cash flow. So it's easy for him to say, you know, go all in on Bitcoin, because he has a kind of a cash cow behind him, right? Which is MicroStrategy, the company that he started. So those are some of my thoughts today on crypto. Remember, get yourself educated. Look it up on YouTube. Look it up on some of the exchanges. CoinMarketCap is a good one to learn. Coinbase has some articles. Look at articles. Look it up. Again, look at the top 10 and start researching the top 10. You know, things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. Start looking into some of those cryptocurrencies and learning about them. Number 2, get started, right? You're never going to know until you get started. It doesn't matter whether you invest $1, $100, $100,000, $10,000. Just get started, right? Do a little bit. Maybe just plug a little bit away of if you make a paycheck each month, plug a little bit away into crypto. Go to that link down below and open a Voyager account. It's pretty easy. They're gonna do some background type stuff, real simple, easy stuff. You know, like, boy, it's been so long since I've started my account. But they make sure it's you, right? That's all. Get started, and then the last point would just be, I'm a fan of dollar cost averaging in. But if nothing else, just get started. And if you can't do it once a week, once a month, once every 6 months, just do something. Get started and get. It's not going away. All right, digital cryptocurrencies are not going away. So it's gonna be a good thing if you at least know what's up and have a little bit of your money in it. So I hope that this video brings to you at least some value into what some other average everyday folks like me are doing. I hope it brings you some type of educational value. If it's brought you any value at all, I would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe to the channel. At least give the channel a like to bless the YouTube algorithm to get this out to more people just like you and me. We can't all be Michael Saylors and buy billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, but we can still be purchasers of it, even normal, everyday, average folks like you and I. So, like and subscribe, and definitely comment below, man. Give me some comments. Let me know if this is helpful to you. Let me know what you think. Let me know what's going on in your world. I'd love to hear it. So, thanks again for watching. Again, the channel is Mad Money Murph. Like and subscribe. There are a bunch of links below, not just for Voyager, but there are other links as well. M1 Finance is a good stock market investing tool. So that's down there as well, among some other ones. If you're interested in Amazon selling, there's a link below to sign up or to look into Amazon Amazing Selling Machine, which is the courses that I use to learn how to sell on Amazon. So thanks again for watching. Appreciate it, and take care. Until next time. Bye now.